Hey, this is Dwayne Mooney. This is a trade that I just did this morning. Look at this. If we open this up, you can see where this trade is. Of course, on the 4-hour chart. And you see the orders taking place. You can really see it on the hour chart. I'll show you. You can see the orders taking place in this area. It reached a high at 0.07149. I had a pending order at 0.7150. It didn't hit. So I woke up this morning and I got in at around 0.17142. Okay, so I'm in about this area. It should be coming, these are orders coming in. So I got in the sell position. Of course, if we do our reading, we'll see where our resistance is and where our support is. Now, if we look on the day chart, we're not in you see this level right here. That's a serious resistance in this area. Or serious support as I'm looking down. As I'm looking down. As it came down here, serious support, and it broke support here. So then as it comes up, it's turned into resistance in this area. Now up here is your supply area. In here, this area here, at 73.15. That's your supply area. So you can wait here. So if you're going to get in here for a sell position, because it's playing this area, you want to make sure that you do a stop loss. Around this area. 71, out of 71, put it around 7.07208 or 0.1, because here might be the next resistance, this area. So you want to do it over here, 71. And what you want to do is put a stop loss in this area around 0.7208. Okay. I'm not going to do a stop loss because I think it's going to come down. But that's where you would do your stop loss, in this area. So if I would do it 17208, and you got to, this is an Australian US, so you want to give yourself plenty of room. If I do the stop loss, I'm think about it. If I'm looking on the hour chart, I can get a better feel for the 4-hour chart. You see, it's coming down. That's the area, that's the trading zone that is in on the 4-hour chart. It's got to come down. This is the other trading side. We'll take our first profit in this area at 07101. That's about 40 pips. We'll take our first profit. And then we'll want it to ride here, but it may bounce back up, which it's been doing. You see, it came down, hit, and came back up. So that may be the level. So that's where you're at on the trade. Now, it's a very easy trade to make. And why, if I shrink it, you will see especially on the day chart, you will see the downtrend. Okay, see the downtrend going down, retracted up, came back down. So that's what we expect it to continue to do. You see all these retractions up as it's coming down. Here, comes down, retracts up, but not as high. At this point, retracts up this area. This is the new resistance. Comes down, retracts up, new resistance. Comes down, retracts up, new resistance. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. That's what makes it a good trade. You're following the trend. Okay. So that's about it. Happy trading. Now, if it doesn't go our way, we just take the loss and get into it later. You know, as it continues to go up, or we take another trade, which I will do. Instead of a stop loss, I will actually just get into the position again and write it down. Okay, so that's it.